Hey guys, check it out. We got a new product from Qualy here I really want to show y'all. This is a full Underdash kit. It's multi-adjustable. This is the heater and AC Underdash. It comes with this unit, hose fittings for your AC, all the hoses, your fan, your condenser, your AC oil, your dryer, all electric cables, and we opted in for the all electric AC compressor, so no motor driven components. This is all going to be driven off this beauty right here. We're probably going to mount it in the trunk. The reason we do that because we're going to be running a turbo. It's going to get kind of crowded in that engine bay. But if you're interested in something like this, stay tuned. We're going to be putting this in a 72 Nova. So if y'all like classic muscle cars with a big turbo, you'll like this because not only do we have a turbo, we're also going to have a nice cold interior.